How come you guys are being super chill about us filming in here?
Very adamant of making sure that we know what we're supposed to do and not supposed to do.
Hey everybody, San Joaquin Audits here. So this video is taken at the Gilbert Court Building. Accompanying me on this audit is Direct D, N2 Film, Nate Skates 182, and San Joaquin Valley Transparency. The two people we met working at the Gilbert Court Building set the standard, in my opinion, for how public workers should act when dealing with the public. The two workers we encountered did a great job, and overall was a great interaction.
Hey guys,
How you doing, sir?
how are you?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm good. What can I do for you guys?
Just gonna take a little tour around the building.
Absolutely, absolutely. You guys have masks?
No,
We do not.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's required.
It's required over here.
Yeah. You guys don't mind? You're very welcome to come and.
Do you have an extra mask that I can have?
Absolutely, guys. Come on over.
Cool. Do you guys do tours here?
No, we don't give a tour. No.
Notified that we're here already?
No, absolutely not. Who are you guys?
Yes, sir?
Yeah. All right, before you guys come through, you guys can come through. Like I said, I have a few questions for you. Has anybody tested positive for COVID in the last 2 weeks?
No.
Been exposed to anybody in the last 2 weeks that has?
No.
That's good. All right. Help yourself.
I'll take my hood. I'll take my hood off.
Do you know when he's coming back?
You guys wanna go through?
Yeah.
I got court here in about 3 weeks.
I gotta take my belt off.
You know, let's, like I said, as soon as my partner gets back, yeah, absolutely. We got a few things, going through the metal detectors.
Do you know where he went?
No, I sure don't.
You gonna tell him?
I guess he doesn't want to let us through.
I mean, we can still go out through. So, I don't know why.
Sit tight, guys.
Oh, there he is.
I got a set.
Big come through, right?
You guys can.
All right, guys.
One at a time. You're good. Go back through real quick. I think it's just the camera, nothing in the middle pocket.
Yeah, no.
You're good. Just one at a time. Do me a favor, just hold the camera up a little bit so I can actually see it when it comes in. If it beeps up high, then it's easier for me to see. Hang tight real quick. Will you give me a couple bolts, Fred? Yeah. Go back through there real quick. Just gotta hold it up and you can actually see it. There we go.
Here you go, sir. Absolutely.
Hang on, man. You gotta run this stuff. You gotta run this stuff.
Here you go.
Oh. Anytime, I gotta reset. You got a breath?
Yeah. All right. Perfect. Come on. Yes, sir. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Get the bag. And I'll get you another cold so easy to set. Unless you want to put it on there. If you're yeah. Question? No, man, it's just like the airport.
I got a question for you
Special
guys.
hours. Sure.
I got a question for both
Yeah.
of you. How come you guys are being super chill about us filming in here, but when we go to other municipal courts, they try to tell us 122, 121, 122, but we know the rules that allow us to record in here, so I'm just
Right.
curious how come you guys seem more educated?
Well, first off, I appreciate you saying that. I can't speak for, other people working at other courts. But here, I've only been here for about 3 months in this position, and definitely the management and the supervisors here are very, very adamant of making sure that we know what we're supposed to do and not supposed to do, and what the rights are for people to come in here and what they actually are allowed to do. So they're very clear about it. So we make sure that that's allowed. But on the other hand, we also have to make sure that those policies are being adhered to. So at the other courts, I can't speak.
What was
for
that supervisor's name?
Our supervisor's name's Terry.
Terry.
Yeah. You guys do know about the courtrooms. If you do want to go in the courtroom, you got to
Yeah,
get
we gotta
special
get
permission.
permission, yeah.
So Other than that,
Special
Get some
permissions
questions
to do what?
for the judges. So yeah, you gotta talk to the
film or
judge
just go in there?
to film it. Yeah, you guys can go in, it's a public building, so
Right.
just like what he was saying is basically, it's a public building. Basically,
Right,
it's
public
access to
access,
public
you know,
stuff.
again, that's, in my mind, that's pretty common sense. You know, this is your courts, this is the people's court, so you're more than welcome to kind of take a look around.
And just for clarification for someone who might not know, when you say your court, who are you referring to? Is that the
Well, I
public?
mean, we work for the public, I work for the town of Gilbert, I work for the people that have to come in here and have to take care of whatever cases, tickets or whatnot. I understand and
What
respect that.
about for observation, just for general purpose, maybe not even for a college class, but just for general research and things like that?
As far as access into here?
Yeah.
Well, again, absolutely. If you want to come in here, we've given tours before. I haven't, but I've seen tours coming in here as far as they want to see what the procedures are, because a lot of people have never been
And
into
are
a
these
court.
policies uniform? So is this like the same with all the other similar courts, which is Superior Court, correct?
Yeah.
So
This is a municipal court.
this is municipal
Yeah,
court?
municipal court. Like I said, people can always do different policies, so we can't answer for Mesa. We can't answer for Apache Junction or any of those
Well,
things.
policies don't trump laws, so policies.
I'm with you.
Policies are for
Your
you
court,
guys.
you
Guys,
guys, you
you're
guys
right.
in the courthouse here seem to understand that. And man, you guys have no idea how much
We're all-
the people are gonna appreciate you guys
Dude,
personally
yeah.
and your supervisor
That's
as
right.
well.
We're in the same boat as you.
Yeah.
We follow the laws. We
Yeah.
try to enforce the laws. But there's no magical thing. It's a public building. We're open at 7 a.m., close at 6 p.m. So you can come and go as much as you want. It's just there's different rules on filming the courtroom. Other than that, you guys can have access to the courtroom. You guys can see the judge's work. You can see the clerk's work.
But unfortunately, you came on a day when they're closed. You know, as you can see, there's not a lot of activity in the building due to the scheduling. It's only Monday through Thursday. But for people that haven't been, usually what happens, they take care of traffic tickets here. Obviously, if they have a court case, they'll go into the courtrooms and they'll adjudicate it with the judges. People pay fines in here. They do protective orders. So there's quite a few things that people can accomplish with what they do when they come to the courts.
Cool.
And I appreciate what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
You know, to go out there and kind of put this out there so people can see, you know,
Understand.
what happens, absolutely.
The officers on the street need to have your guys' common sense in here, though. That's part of the problem. I'm sure you guys have heard of my channel. I'm Direct D. I'm the one that films all you guys.
Like you said, you're doing stuff that you believe in. It helps out a lot of people, right?
Cause come on, everybody here, who hasn't got a ticket, right? Oh, yeah, I mean,
I've got
we've
one.
all got tickets, and, you know, either
Yeah.
people pay, but this gives people, I mean, we get people, first timers that come in here and they're confused, you know, this isn't something that's comfortable, so we try to make it as easy and understandable for them so that they can get through the situation without as little as anxiety as possible. Cause it's not a pleasant thing to be in here doing anything, you know that. Yeah.
Nope, I got court here in 3 weeks, so you
Oh,
guys
really?
can see me. NYPD arrested me downtown for filming them, for doing this.
Well,
It's one of those things I can't answer. I have no idea what they're doing, what it is, but at least you know where the courthouse is now.
Here are some of the pamphlets right here. Records of quest.
If only every courthouse.
Acting like this,
Like I said, a lot of places change things.
Is this Monday through Friday, all these?
Well, Town of Gilbert is Monday through Thursday. So that's why you can see it flashed out in dark. We're one of the few, if not one of the only ones, if not the only ones.
Just a motion for the court.
They're Monday through Thursday, or Friday, so we're really here for them.
The services right
You
here.
go to the rest of the town of Gilbert, Monday through Thursday.
Regional Veterans Court.
When I hear you guys speak,
That's a totally different level.
Dude, that was
Because, you know, I feel like even when you do it, and you go out and they can do it like this, get higher, it's still in proceed. How do you do that?
Wait till we go to Mesa.
What's a better way to do that?
They tried to hand me a pamphlet. 120, you know, 121, 122.1.
Yeah.
yeah, that's where you define yourself. Read the comments, Brian. I appreciate your performance. What name?
Brian,
Brian?
yeah.
Watch. Read the comments.
You guys have questions, man, we're here to answer it, right?
Cool. Thank
No
you.
magical thing, it's a courthouse, it's a public building. Have at it.
A lot of people don't understand that, man. That's a problem.
And it's weird because I can't reach it. You know, it's like one of those things where I don't get it.
Pay attention to this, but.
Victims' rights. If you are a victim of a crime with a case pending before this court, you are advised that you have rights to justice and due process under Arizona law that, among others, include the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, to a speedy trial, and a prompt and final conclusion of the case. To be present at court proceedings, to choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant or the defendant's attorney, to be heard before the court makes a decision on release, negotiation of a plea, scheduling, and sentencing. You guys get the rest, alright.
Where are the court rules at?
What's that?
Where are the court rules at? Like where it said if you're a witness, wait outside to be called.
Most of those, I mean, they might be in there, they might be explained to the judge when they go in there. I don't listen to the procedure part stuff, that's not what I get paid
You know what I'm saying? Like
for.
some of the courts I've been to, like they'll have out here, like if you're part of the case or if you're a jury trial, you know, the procedures for you coming into court or a witness or somebody part of the case. Y'all don't have rules like that posted?
What everything's posted out here is what the judge wants out here, so it might be more of the procedure when they get in there. There's your rights on this side, on the people to this side.
Yes.
But that's like, that tells us, like, yeah, what's it posted on the wall is what the judge wants on the wall. And then once I said, once you're in the courtroom, you might have different rules and expectations, but like I said, that's not my pay grade, so I'm not sure what they are. Yep, yep.